to make this apparatus more operative, you can actually push the polythene inside the bottle. This will make the cavity or the space in the bottle even smaller, and immediately you will find that balloons get deflated. It's a very interesting activity and very easy to make. My suggestion to you is that you must make this and do it yourself. Now you see, I told you that air that we breathe out has more carbon dioxide. In science, nothing is true till it is proved. How can we say that there is more carbon dioxide in exhaled air as compared to inhaled air? You can take some lime water in a test tube and then blow air or exhale air into lime water. You will find it will turn milky. And you know which gas turns lime water milky? It is carbon dioxide. Because lime water is calcium hydroxide. When it combines with carbon dioxide, it forms calcium carbonate, which is white in color and sparingly soluble in water. So, it is suspended in water and lime water looks milky. However, this does not prove that there is more carbon dioxide in exhaled air as compared to normal air or the air outside. To prove this, you can take lime water in two test tubes and label them as A and B. Now what you can do is, you can blow air in A, and in the B you can pump air with the help of your normal cycle pump. So, from pump, and then see for yourself which lime water or lime water present in which tube turns milky faster. You will find that it is in the A that it turns milky faster, which means there is more carbon dioxide in exhaled air as compared to the air all around us.